In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to integrate Practice Better with Automizy using Pabbly Connect. Stick around till the end, because I'll not only show you step by step how to set it all up, but also give you a peek at some great alternatives that might actually suit your needs even better. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you'll need is accounts with Practice Better, Automizy, and Pabbly Connect. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. I'll include links in the description. But you're going to need these three tools connected, so let's get started. Next thing, once you have your accounts, head over to Pabbly Connect. You'll start by creating a new workflow. Pabbly makes it easy to set up workflows between apps, and it's a great tool for automation, though I will say, there are some minor limitations when it comes to complexity in certain workflows. Now, let's connect Practice Better to Pabbly. You'll find Practice Better in the app list inside Pabbly Connect. You'll then need to authenticate your account by entering the API key from Practice Better into Pabbly. After that, you'll be able to select what data you want to send over to Automizy. Pabbly has a pretty straightforward setup for this, but keep in mind, Practice Better doesn't have as many direct integrations as some other platforms, so using Pabbly is the workaround. Once you've connected Practice Better, the next thing is linking Automizy. This is where the real magic happens. You'll be able to push contact details, session information, and more directly from Practice Better into Automizy's email marketing platform. Automizy itself is a pretty decent email marketing tool with great automation features, though its user interface could use a little more polish, especially for newcomers. At this point, you should test the integration to make sure everything's working as expected. Pabbly Connect allows you to send a test between the two platforms to confirm that the data is flowing smoothly. If there's an issue, go back and check your API keys and data mappings. Sometimes there might be a slight hiccup, especially if the fields don't match perfectly. Now, while this is an efficient way to integrate Practice Better with Automizy, I have to mention a few things. Practice Better is really powerful for wellness practitioners and coaches, but if you're looking for more robust marketing capabilities directly inside the platform, Automizy might not be your best option. It's not as flexible as some other tools when it comes to detailed automation setups, and you may find yourself frustrated with its limitations in the long run. Next thing, let's talk alternatives. For those of you looking for a more seamless integration or advanced features, there are tools like ActiveCampaign and MailerLite that provide stronger all-around marketing solutions. They also offer great automation and are way more polished when it comes to email sequences. But I get it, sometimes switching platforms isn't ideal, especially if you've already invested time and energy into setting things up. To wrap this up, I want to remind you that if you're thinking about trying out Practice Better, Automizy, and Pabbly Connect, we've got you covered with an exclusive extended free trial through the links in the description. This is a unique offer only available to our viewers, so make sure you grab it. But here's the twist. While Practice Better and Automizy are decent tools, there are alternatives that might actually give you better value for your goals. These alternatives also come with their own free trials, and I'll make sure to include the best options in the description for you to check out. Through our link, you'll get the best trials and exclusive benefits that can't be found anywhere else. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check out those links for the best offers, and I'll see you in the next one.